Hello, and welcome to Daily English Conversations. Today, we have a very special lesson for beginners.
Yes, this is an A1 level lesson. We are going to practice English at a bakery.
When you travel, buying food is very important. Going to a bakery is a great way to practice basic English.
You will learn how to ask for prices, order food, use numbers, and pay with cash.
We will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand and repeat after us.
Let's start the dialogue between the baker, A, and the customer, B. Enjoy the lesson.
Remember to listen carefully to the simple words and sentences. Good morning. Welcome to the Sweet Crumb Bakery. How can I help you today?
Good morning. Everything looks delicious. I want to buy some bread and pastries, but I have a few questions.
Of course. I am happy to help you. What would you like to know?
First, what is this bread here? It looks very nice.
That is our fresh sourdough bread. It is a very popular loaf of white bread.
I see. And how much is a loaf of this sourdough bread?
A loaf of sourdough bread is $4.50.
$4.50. Okay, that is a good price. And what about these small round breads?
Those are dinner rolls. They are very soft and tasty.
How much are they? Are they sold individually or in a pack?
They are 50 cents each, or you can buy a bag of 6 rolls for $2.50.
A bag of 6 rolls for $2.50 is a very good deal.
Yes, it is. We also have sweet pastries on the other side.
Oh yes. I see some cookies and croissants. How much is one chocolate cookie?
One chocolate cookie is $1.75.
And how much is one chocolate croissant?
One chocolate croissant is $2.25.
$2.25. Okay, I am writing these prices down.
Take your time. We have many options today.
Thank you. The bakery smells wonderful. Is the bread baked today?
Yes, we bake all our bread and pastries fresh every morning at 5 o'clock.
That is excellent. I love fresh bread.
Are you ready to order now, or do you need a few more minutes to decide?
I am ready to order now, thank you. I know what I want to buy.
Great. What can I get for you today?
First, I would like one loaf of the sourdough bread, please.
One loaf of sourdough bread. Do you want me to slice it for you?
Yes, please. Can you slice it into thin pieces?
Certainly. I can slice the loaf of bread for you. Anything else?
Yes, I also want to buy some chocolate croissants.
How many chocolate croissants would you like?
I would like 2 chocolate croissants, please.
2 chocolate croissants. Let me put them in a paper bag for you.
Thank you. Are the chocolate croissants very sweet?
They have a nice amount of chocolate inside, but they are not too sweet. They are very flaky and buttery.
That sounds perfect. I am buying them for my friend and me.
I am sure your friend will like them very much. They are very popular today.
I hope so. So, that is one sliced loaf of sourdough bread and 2 chocolate croissants.
Yes, that is correct. Let me put the sliced bread and the croissants together in a large bag.
Thank you. Is there anything else you recommend today?
Our blueberry muffins are also very fresh and delicious today. They are $2 each.
Oh, they look very nice, but I think this is enough for today.
No problem at all. Let me calculate the total price for you. Okay, let's see. The loaf of sourdough bread is $4.50.
Yes, and the 2 chocolate croissants are $2.25 each.
Exactly. 2 croissants at $2.25 makes $4.50.
So, $4.50 for the bread, plus $4.50 for the croissants.
Yes, that is correct. The total price is $9.
$9 total. That is easy to calculate.
Yes, it is a very simple total today. How would you like to pay?
I would like to pay with cash, please. Do you accept $20 bills?
Yes, we accept $20 bills. Cash is perfectly fine.
Great. Here is a $20 bill.
Thank you. $20. Your total is $9, so your change is $11.
$11 is the change. Let me count it to make sure.
Here is a $10 bill and a $1 bill. That makes $11.
Yes, 10 plus 1 is 11. That is correct. Thank you very much.
You are very welcome. Here is your receipt. Would you like me to put the receipt in the bag?
Yes, please. Put the receipt in the bag. It is easier that way.
Here is your bag of fresh bread and croissants. Be careful. The bag is still a little warm from the fresh croissants.
Oh, thank you for the warning. I will carry it carefully. Smells so good.
I hope you enjoy the food. We make everything with love.
I can tell. Your bakery is very clean and the service is excellent.
Thank you for your kind words. We try our best to make our customers happy.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. You have a wonderful day too, and enjoy your fresh bakery items.
I will. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Come back again soon. That was a wonderful A1 conversation at the bakery.
Yes, it was very clear and simple. It is perfect for beginners to practice.
Let's review the important vocabulary we used today.
We learned words like loaf of bread, chocolate croissant, bakery, cash, change, and receipt.
We also practiced asking how much is it and ordering with I would like, please.
Using polite words like please and thank you is very important when ordering food in English.
If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe to Daily English Conversations.
Tell us in the comments what your favorite bakery item is.
Thank you for watching and practicing your English with us today.
Keep practicing every day, and you will speak English like a pro soon.
Goodbye, and see you in our next video lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.